Mathematics in nature and in universe. You know, the most beautiful creation life ever discover is mathematics. And you know what is the most beautiful thing about mathematics? That we discover mathematics from nature, and now we are inventing things with mathematics. You are seeing, we discover mathematics and now we are inventing things from mathematics. It's like invention come from discovery here, because we see the mathematics in nature and we are applying in the application in the materialistic world, in our daily uses. Like our traffic lights are following mathematics, because the program which are used are on the they are written in algorithm and they are based on mathematics. And all the things like calculator based on mathematics, computer based on mathematics, and all the thinking which are working, we think we are working on electronics, they are based on mathematics. And this is the area and the range of mathematics is too huge and too vast that we tends to approach everything in the nature in mathematics. Like I'm saying that we know what is the normal human heart rate is. We know with mathematics because we count them, and then the certain heart rate, and we go certain level above or certain level below, we know that it is not normal. So we know that what is the exact and what is the approx range of that is called as normal. Okay, so that is called BP level 80 to 120. Okay, then we know that below that is dangerous and above that is dangerous. So we has a measurement, a parameter, a scale of a BP meter, that we know that above and below is that, and we have the range with mathematics. We invent this device and we discover that human brain is on work on this range perfectly. This is a small example, and mathematics is not limited only that. We are seeing the flowers, there is a mathematics. That how many flowers is there, and what is their Fibonacci series is following the flowers. And there are many flowers which are the leaf shape and which has a polar equation. And mathematics is everywhere, like certain fruits, trees, like trees of fruit like a mango, and like tree of fruit like a banana. And there is certain and time for every fruit. Like mango tree will give fruit will after some time, and banana tree will give after some time. But there is not necessary that the timing of both the fruits is coincide, is similar. It's not the case. Maybe two fruits can be similar at time, but not all the fruit in the universe can be similar time. Same with vegetables. And the most beautiful thing about mathematics is that it is not like that it's something that it is only exist in the universe and in nature, and it is not used in our daily routine. It is not that. All the computers are based on quantum mechanics, or the computer are working on quantum facilities. They are written in mathematics. Program are written, but program is based in mathematics. All the calculation are doing with mathematics. Everything on the materialistic world we are using now, the things, they are all in mathematics. But if we go beyond the survival mathematics, like special mathematics, like significant mathematics, like the mathematics of graphs, curves, and shape and structures in universe, like calculus express this beautifully. Like Newton found that too many years ago that planetary motions, because that time was calculator was not invented, so he just tried calculus. He just tried calculus, and he just create, and he just found that how planetary system are moving, how things are moving. And now he gave the Newton law of motion. This is at that point of time we used to think that these laws are only applicable on certain things on Earth, but in the initial phase when he was expressing this point of view on the gravity. But later on we found that now we are observing day by day, and we are finding that these law are applicable in approx all the things, all the places in the universe. This is the main thing. So mathematics is not that it is not too limited only to survival things, and it is not that it's only exists in universe. The meaning of a universe is that it is not that we are not using in daily routine, and it is only exist in space. that it is something exists in another planet. It only exists in, when we are studying about star, when we are studying about galaxy, when we study about black hole, when we study about neutron star. It is not a thing that is only exists then we are when we are studying about space objects. It exists and applicable on Earth in daily routine, and it's applicable and exists in outer the Earth. That is the main beauty of that. That mathematics has the widest range in the universe. It covers everything. And see, when we are planning to, and like we want to fly. So first thing we made with the aircraft we made. So what do you think? How we made aircraft? What do we made? If we suppose if someone don't know the mathematics of aircraft, he can make, but he will, even if like I'm coming in the truth, like even if we don't know how the how pressure works, how gravity works, how everything works, we can still make that. I'm telling you that we can make that, but how many times we have to attempt till we succeed? We don't know. There will be maybe after 2 aircraft we will make, and then we found that its weight is too high, then we make light. Maybe we can make it after 2 aircraft will be crap, and then third will be maybe 2000 will be crap, and 20,000 one. Next one will be maybe 10,000 will be crap, and next one will be great. Maybe 1 lakh aircraft will be crap, and next one will be great if we don't know the mathematics. But if we know the mathematics, if we know how gravity works, if we know how pressure works, when someone is like we all know the relation between pressure and velocity. So when velocity is fast, pressure tends to increase. You all know what is the shape, why the shape of the aircraft, why it is because of Bernoulli pressure velocity relation. So if we know the mathematics, the person who knows the mathematics doesn't know how pressure and velocity works, and what is the perfect shape and shape of should be the wings of the aircraft. If we have all the knowledge, we can make the best aircraft less than the attempt we make without knowing the mathematics. This is the beauty. And the thing we are saying that we can become infinite dimensional creative with mathematics. Like if we want to go to outer the earth, so how we are making rockets? We are calculating gravity, we are calculating its velocity, we are calculating that when it's fly, and how much thrust it will throw on the earth, and how much every active factor acting on earth will affect the aircraft, will affect the rocket. We'll count every factor like air resistance, friction, and when it will leave the earth, and its gravity start, its earth gravitational field is, it's not that it is spread in all the space. It is some area around that earth. Okay, so when we leave gravitational field of earth, and when rocket enter in the gravitational field of other planet like Mars, then how Mars gravity will affect the rocket. All the things we calculate, we do with mathematics. So the beautiful thing mathematics about that, it is not that type of art. I personally never researched. It is not type of art that it is like a divine art, like it is only exists in outer the earth, in planets, stars, telescope, only on these things. It is not that. It is the best beauty about mathematics is that it is applicable on earth, and it is applicable on outer the earth. It is applicable in everywhere in the universe. We have the differential equation, we describe everything, we describe curve, we describe curve of different dimension and different types. We have differential equations. This is the thing I am talking about. It is too wide range of mathematics. Like we know the differential equation, the radioactive decay, and we have differential equation of that. We know the half time. So the things we can imagine, we can reach there with mathematics. Mathematics work deep in the ocean, because we know the equation that when the pressure become more high, and high velocity start become decreasing. We know that how much pressure, if someone deep dive in ocean, we all know that he will die if he don't know how to swim, and even if he swim, he can't live in that. But with mathematics we know exactly at what height he can, at what depth he can die because of pressure. This is the thing I am talking about. Mathematics give the approx and best approximation. That this is the thing I'm talking about. We know that if we are climbing on mountain, we with mathematics we can, and our through our medical report, that we can see that at how much height is dangerous for our health to breathe. Till the time people don't know how to, they don't have perfect mathematics, they used to climb and there some people die because of their health issue, because not everyone has a good breathing system. This is thing I'm talking about. Mathematics is the most best approximation art to reach anything in the universe. It is the best approximation art to reach anything in the universe, whether it's outer the earth or whether it's inner the earth, whether it's inner in everything in the universe or whether it's inner in everything in the earth. Mathematics is ultra dimensional and infinite dimensional art of universe. It's too beautiful, man. It's too beautiful. Thank you.